Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I am going to show you how we can create IAM users for our AWS account, and it is generally considered a very good practice that we should not use our AWS root account for our day-to-day operations. Instead, we should create IAM users who have the respective permission to do the things in our AWS account. So I'm in this video today, I'm going to show you exactly that. So this video is going to be part of my AWS quick tutorials playlist. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to it and press the bell icon for receiving regular updates whenever there is a new video uploaded to the channel, and do like the video as well. So let's get started real quick. So I have the AWS console open over here. So I'm just going to sign into the console. Okay, and I'm going to sign in as a root user account, because I'm going to create IAM users for my root user account. So I'm just going to log in real quick. Okay, now it's asking me for the multi-factor authentication code. So this is a security step that I have added for my root account. Now, if you also want to apply this MFA setup for your root account, I have created a dedicated video for it. So do check the link of the video in the description as well as towards the end of the video. So I'm going to open the Authy app in my mobile right now, and I'm going to type in the code. Okay, and we are in now. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to the IAM or Identity and Access Management Service for creating our IAM users. Okay, and on the left side here, you will see that there is a option for users. So I'm just going to click here, and you can see that I already have one IAM user for my account, but for this video, I'm going to create another one. So let's give it some name like IAM user 2. Okay. Now there are multiple ways to access AWS account. Okay, so one way is obviously the console that you are seeing here. Okay, there are two other ways. So one is through the command line that I'm going to show you in a later video, as well as through programmatically through AWS SDKs for various languages like Java, Python, Node.js, and things like that. So I'm going to create this user, and I'm going to provide this user access to the AWS management console. So I'll click that, and over here I will choose I want to create an IAM user. Okay, now comes what should be the password for this user. So either you can select this option wherein an auto generated password will be created by AWS automatically, or you can choose a custom password for your user as well. So in my case, I'll choose a custom password here. Okay, and then there is another option here that users must create a new password at next sign in, but since I already chose the password myself, I will deselect this option here. Okay, and I'll press next. Okay, now this section I will show you in detail in a later video, wherein you assign permissions for your created users so that they can do the required stuff in the AWS account. Okay, but for now I'll just go ahead without giving any permissions to my user. Okay, now as I told you in past videos that in AWS the tags are there pretty much everywhere, so you can choose to create a tag for your IAM user so that you can regroup the resources if you want to using these tags. So I'll just skip all this, and I'll press create user. And cool, the user is now created. So you can see that on this screen AWS is providing us all the details that is required for the newly created user to sign in. So they need to go to this link, and over here notice one thing here. So this Sumit demo account that you are seeing here, it's nothing but an account alias basically, which in one of my past videos I have shown how to create an account alias for the AWS account. So if you have not checked it, you can check that. So it gives you a friendly URL like this, okay, for you to sign in. Okay, and this is the username, and I have the password already here. You can also choose to download these details in a CSV file in case you want to keep it safe somewhere in your laptop. Okay, and you can also send this sign in instructions to someone like for whom you have created this IAM user by using by emailing them the sign in instructions, right? So now to log in, I'll just simply copy this sign in URL and I'll open another window here. So let's put both of these windows side by side, right? So I'll just put this to the left side of the screen and the other window on the right side. I'll copy these details and I'll paste it here. Okay, so as soon as I press the sign in link, you will see that my account alias is already pre-populated here. Okay, so no worries. I think we got signed out from the other window, but that's not a problem. Let's continue in this window itself. So I'm just going to, I'm just going to sign in using the username I created earlier in the video, and I'm going to enter my password. So this is the IAM user who is signing in into this website. Okay, so you can see that I am successfully signed in here. Okay, and the only issue over here is that since we have not given any permission for our user explicitly, he literally can't do anything. So if I go to any service like S3, say for example, right, you will see this access denied error everywhere. So you can see that as soon as I go for creating a bucket, like say for example I'm creating a bucket with a demo name. Okay, so you will see that as soon as I press create bucket, it gives me an error. Okay, this name already exists, so let me make it more unique. Okay, so I press create bucket and you can see you don't have a permission to create the bucket. Even if I go to any other service like IAM for example, and I want to see the list of users under this account, you will see that everywhere it's access denied, access denied. Even in the users you don't have permission to do list users. Okay, so this is the permission issue that is there with this user because we have not provided any permissions explicitly to this user. So in the next video I am going to show you how we can attach permissions to an IAM user, okay, through something called as AWS policies. Okay, and there are many more interesting things coming up like user groups and all. So do tune into my channel and do like this video if you have liked it, and if you have any comments related to this video, do post it in the comment section. I would be happy to answer them. So thank you very much.